Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install PowerToys for your Windows operating system for free. You just simply go for your Microsoft Store in a very simple way, and then you just need to convert into your search option and going to search for Microsoft, or you can just simply type PowerToys. After that, you will get this option called Microsoft PowerToys. So if you click on that, then you'll get an option called install. So if you click on install, you can see it's getting things ready and preparing to download. It is 262 MB and it will take some minutes. For that, keep patience. And you can see that the download is completed. And now if you just turn it off and then come over into your search option, and now if you search for PowerToys, you can see the PowerToys is over here. So if you click on it, and you can see your PowerToys is open for your Windows, and now we can select any of your settings like for your PowerToys. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.